Imagine a creature nimble as a gymnast, swift as the wind, and as curious as a child. Meet the Marten, a true adventurer of the forest. Whether it's ascending lofty trees or navigating dense foliage, Martens turn the wilderness into their personal acrobatic stage. Their agility isn't just for show, it's a survival skill. Martens are opportunistic feeders, dining on anything from tiny critters, unsuspecting birds, to unsuspecting bugs, and when the mood strikes, they'll indulge in a fruity snack. Yes, the forest is a playground, a dining room, and a home for these spirited creatures. Their zest for life is a testament to nature's dynamism, reminding us that every creature, no matter how small, plays a starring role in the grand spectacle that is life on Earth.